Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you understood our first lesson. Today we are in the second, countable and uncountable nouns. In our first lesson, we have learned about 5 classifications of nouns. In this lesson, we are going to learn another 2 classification of noun based on their numbers. They are countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Nouns naming things that can be counted are called countable or count nouns. The nouns which we can count are called countable nouns. In other words, countable nouns are nouns which have plurals. The countable nouns always have its plural form. Most common and collective nouns have a plural form and can be counted. Most of the common nouns and the collective nouns are countable nouns. These are the examples for countable nouns. They are river, author, manager, boy, bunch, pack. We can make their plural forms like rivers, authors, managers, boys, bunches, packs. Nouns that name things that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns or non-count nouns. The nouns which we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns don't have plurals. Uncountable nouns are always in singular form. They don't have their plurals. Here are the examples. Gold, sugar, rice, water, oil, furniture. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted but are measured in units. We cannot count the uncountable nouns, but we can measure them in units. In the following sentences, glass, rice, jam, and juice are the uncountable nouns. We can measure them in units like a sheet of glass, 5 kilos of rice, a jar of jam, a bottle of juice. Abstract nouns or concepts like bravery, kindness, honor, etc. are mostly uncountable nouns. Most of the abstract nouns are uncountable nouns. Many abstract nouns, however, have plural forms, but many of the abstract nouns have their plural forms. Decisions, vacancies, and powers are some such nouns. Some nouns can be used as both countable and uncountable nouns. We can use some nouns as both countable and uncountable. For an example, the child threw stones into the water. In this sentence, stones are countable nouns. Second, the wall was made of stone. In this sentence, stone is uncountable noun. Expressions like a few, a lot of, many, one, two, etc. can be used with the countable nouns. We are using these expressions with the countable nouns. With uncountable nouns, we use some, a little, much, etc. Here are the examples. Countable nouns. I have a few good books. Here books are countable nouns. How many toys did you get? Here toys are countable nouns. We have many chairs. Here chairs are countable nouns. There are 2 apples. Apples are countable nouns. Can we buy some markers? Here markers are countable nouns. We have lots of plates. Plates are countable nouns. Let us see the examples for uncountable nouns. Can I have a little rice? Rice is uncountable noun. How much money do they want? Money, uncountable noun. We don't need much furniture. Furniture, uncountable noun. There is a little fruit. Fruit, uncountable noun. Please have some juice. Juice, uncountable noun. We have lots of paper. Paper, uncountable noun. So, students, here we are concluding our class. Take your notebooks and mark all the important points to your notebook.